Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to talk about penny stocks. Penny stocks. I've been getting a bunch of inquiries, a bunch of requests to do certain stocks and to talk about penny stocks. So I'm going to do that right here. I'll probably do a definition and then talk about probably about half a dozen or so penny stocks and give you my opinion on the overall penny stock market and or small stock market. So here we go. So, what is a penny stock? Well, if you look up the definition right here, I'm going to put it up on the screen. A penny stock is really any stock that is under $1. So, these seem to be very speculative stocks. Not always newer stocks, could be some older stocks out there, but they're very speculative. Just saying that they might go up, might go down, depending how many outstanding shares or how many shares are out there in general, and multiply that by how much the stock is, and basically you get the market cap. So that's my thoughts. So I'm making this video November 1, 2019. So any percentages or pricing up on the screen, this is from that date, November 1, 2019. So here we go. The first one is a stock called Comstock Mining Inc. They are hovering around the 9-cent mark. So what is Comstock Mining Inc? Well, I'm going to put pictures from their website up as I talk about this. So the overview of the company itself is a Nevada-based gold and silver mining exploration company. They do development and production with extensive and continuous property in the historic Comstock and Silver City mining area. In addition to mining, they have commercial and industrial properties located in Story and Lyons County, Nevada. The Comstock District is located within the western portion, basin, and range province of Nevada near Reno and Carson City. The company began acquiring properties and developing projects in Comstock District in 2003. Since then, the company has consolidated a substantial portion of the historic Comstock District, secured permits, built an infrastructure, and brought exploration projects into their production. The company and its subsidiaries now own or control approximately 9,358 acres of mining claims and parcels in the broader Comstock District and surrounding areas. So I read into their third quarter results released out, I think it was August 1st, 2019. So they have about $1 million on cash and cash equivalents, with their long-term debt is about $11.5 million. Well, what do I think about this stock? For 9 cents, go ahead and buy some. That's what I would do. I'd spend $10 or $9 and buy 100 shares. What's $10? Maybe one lunch out to Burger King or whatever it might be. 2 coffees at a coffee stand. Speculative, yes. With the rising, or should I say, with the plateau of gold and silver right now, in previous years, but while the economy will go to crap, I think mining silver and gold and the metal itself, I think, will go up. With having a lot of acres and a lot of permits in areas in Nevada, the Reno area, I think the stock will do good. I think it probably will raise up to the 15 to 20 cent mark. So that's just me. I would not mind putting $10 in, maybe $20 in, at most 25, just to see what it's about. If you go gung-ho, and put $90 in. But I'm not telling you what to do. That's your choice. That's your money. That's your stock. This is just my opinion and my thoughts. So what else? Here we go. Let's talk about another penny stock. Another penny stock right here is called Data Storage Corporation, stock ticker DTST. They are hovering around the 17-cent mark. Remember, it is November 1, 2019. Depending on when you watch this, that price could fluctuate. So what is this company? Well, DTST, stock symbol Data Storage Corporation, is a provider of data recovery and business continuity services that help organizations protect their data, minimize downtime, and recover and restore data within their objectives through its 4 data centers and by leveraging leading technology. DSC, Data Storage Corporation, delivers and supports a broad range of premium solutions for both Windows and IBM iSeries environments that assist its clients save time and money, gain more control over the better access to data, and enable the highest level security for that data. Security, data, security, recover. It could be worth okay. A lot of people using the cloud right now for free with emails and doing iDrive and all that good stuff. People are using mainstream, big name businesses to back up and or recover their electronic history, work, all that jazz. Data storage, I would not put money into this, but that's just me. Here we go. Let's talk about another one. Here we have Turquoise Hill Resources Ltd. Stock ticker TRK, hovering around 42 cents. Ooh, about a half a dollar right here. Turquoise Hill, again, TRK on the NASDAQ, is an international mining company focused on the operations and further development of the Ouagadougou. I'm pronouncing this horribly wrong, so I apologize. It is spelled out OYUTOLGOI copper mine in southern Mongolia, which is the company's principal and only material mining and resource property. So what do I think? Well, with EV cars, electrical vehicles, and the demand for copper within those and other electronic infrastructures, I expect the price to copper to industrial production will grow over the next decade 100%. I would not mind putting money into this. I would also look at copper stocks within the United States, since this is overseas, depending on shipping and depending on where manufacturers are producing EV vehicles. But yeah, copper stocks would not be a bad bet for the future. That's my thoughts on this one. Again, that's Turquoise Hill. First off, I'm going to screw this name up. So let's go with the stock ticker. Stock ticker AXAS, hovering around the 30-cent mark. Break 6, ABRAXAS, Petroleum Corporation. This is an independent energy company which engages in acquisitions, exploitation, development, and production of gas and oil properties in the United States. The company operates oil and gas assets in Permian, Delaware Basin, the Rocky Mountain, and South Texas region. As of December 31, 2018, its estimated net proved resources were 67.2 million barrels of oil equivalent. The company was founded in 1977 and is based out of San Antonio, Texas. Yeehaw to you. The Alamo. We also know that the stock has performed poorly over the last year, with share prices down 83%. Shareholders have had an even rougher run lately, with the share price down 61% in the last 90 days. Ouch. In contrast to the share price, revenue has actually increased 9.1% a year in a 5-year period. So it seems one might have to take a closer look at the fundamentals to understand why the share price languishes. After all, there may be an opportunity. So what do I think? Well, if the company is doing good, if the company is actually producing oil, if the company is meeting revenues and meeting their numbers, plus their stock is going down, well, that means the company is doing great. They're beating numbers, they're beating their estimates. So for some reason, one way or another, their stock is going down. So if this is true, if that does play out, if it is accurate that they're beating all their estimates and they are producing as much as they say they're producing, and they're not having long-term debt, there should be no reason why their stock is going down. I would advise somebody to take a closer look at the numbers. Very, very closer look. Thank you. Hey guys, we have 2 more to go. This one is more than $1, but it is been asked of me. quite a bit. It is stock NIO, NIO. Again, as of November 1, 2019, hovering around the $1.49 mark. What is NIO? Well, if you don't know, it is an electric car company. It is a Chinese automobile manufacturer headquartered in Shanghai, specializing in designing and developing electric autonomous vehicles. NIO, Chinese name, which translates to blue sky coming, originated from the vision of a future filled with blue skies. So, the market cap on this guy is about 1.58 or 1.6 billion dollars. They have a 52-week high of $10.64, quite a bit more than they are now, and a 52-week low of $1.20. So they are hovering around their all-time low right now. NIO, very speculative. I would like to see how many cars they put out, how many cars they project, what their future goal is, what their future ambition is. At least with Elon Musk, he states in his Twitter statements and everything else like that what his projections are, what they've made. Not much comes out from NIO, so very, very speculative. CBL Properties, CBL, previously CBL and Associates Inc., stock ticker CBL, hovering around the $1.39 mark. Is a real estate investment trust that invests in shopping centers primarily in the southeastern United States and midwestern U.S. The company originated or was organized in Delaware with its headquarters in Chattanooga, Tennessee. As of December 1, 2017, so basically 2 years ago, they own 105 properties. They have a pretty damn high dividend yield. At the time of November 1, 2019, it is about 20.55 with their dividend, and they do pay quarterly. So they pay quarterly. They do shopping centers. With the push for e-commerce, as in Walmart's, they have their physical locations as well, and Amazon and eBay, do I think shopping centers will soon go away? I don't know, but it'd behoove of grocery stores to move into shopping centers. People could do their clothes shopping, their movie theater, and grocery purchases all at one big location. Shopping centers and physical buildings, I don't know. I'm hesitant about CBL. What I like about CBL is their 20.55 yield. If you're not going to hold this for a long time, it's a good way to earn some dividends and then get out. That's what I would do. I would earn my dividends and get out. But nothing too really exciting about CBL. So thank you guys so much. So what I'll probably do is put all this video together in one, and then probably upload it individually as well. So if you like any of these stocks, please tell me. I'll be able to go and happy to go more in depth on every one of them. So thank you guys. Have a great day. And wow, it's already almost halfway through November. So take care, guys. Bye.